Hello friends. In this video I am going to show you how to get a free VPN in Windows 10 and Windows 10 Pro. So let's start the video. Here we are going to see a method to get free VPN. For that, click on notification area and then, right click on VPN and then, on open VPN. Now add a VPN, Windows built-in, now give you connection name whatever you like. Now we have to give the server name, you can get that from vpnbook.com, here click on free VPN, then scroll down. And copy this URL and, paste it here. Now we have to give the username and password, which we will get from same site. So go there and copy and paste it. After saving the VPN, you can see its name in VPN list, now you can connect it whenever you want. To do so simply click on connect, after some time the VPN will be connected to your device.
Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press bell icon. If you like the video, like and share my video.